Yeah, clearly when you're me.
Okay, there you go. Lean forward a little bit more.
I'm trying to sit down.
Come on, lean forward.
It does feel like 8
And lean
seconds.
forward.
I mean, I don't think anybody
Look up.
can if you want to grab
You look like
whatever
you're running.
you can find.
Dave,
You know
look
she
up.
puts that on the internet, don't you?
I know.
That's okay. You're censored. I can't see your face this close.
Good, good, good.
That goes on her website.
Yeah, well, like I said, hide the face.
All right, smile for the camera, Tony.
They might wonder what
Hey,
kind of video
Tony.
this is. Look up, head up,
Look up. There you go.
head up.
Who's
Hold
that
yourself
handsome
up. Come on,
guy?
straighten that arm up. Good. Lean. Wait, where are you going? Don't lean yet. Straighten that arm up a little bit more.
Oh.
I'm not using the ball today. I'm not letting you cheat.
No, cheater.
Cheater! Right here! Cheater!
We got Dave a new shirt that says cheater.
Can we see it in the video?
Yeah, sorta. It's like cheater. There we go.
There we go.
Cheater.
Well, Mama might have to go get him one because you said that you need a cheater shirt.
He's a big
There
cheater.
you go. He's holding up pretty. You holding him? Let go for just a minute. There you go. We're not holding you up.
Woohoo!
Very good.
Magical Dave.
Huh? We're not
Wow.
holding you up today. Hold it
Wow.
up there. Hold it up there.
Smile. Cross your eyes. Stick out your tongue.
Did she just say cross your eyes and stick out your tongue?
And smile. Can you handle it? Nope.
No.
Nope.
I think that's what.
Up. Again. 7. Up. 8. Up. 9. No laughing. One more.
No laughing just makes him laugh harder.
No, I'm teasing him.
See, Dave,
Okay.
Mom couldn't even do that because my
Nah.
shoulders hurt too bad. Me
Go ahead
too.
down on your elbows if you want to rest for a minute. Down on your elbows. Rest for a minute. He's doing. I didn't say down on your legs.
Hey, honey, look up. Look up. Say, this sucks. Look at me. Look at me. Say, this sucks. Say, this sucks before I fall off the stool.
Here we go, YouTube.
But I can't hear you.
Tell her, oh shit.
No. Say, this sucks. Yeah.